So on to the third step in the Earth First transition. So Walmart set the pace for this new era with their commitment to becoming a regenerative business within a generation. So that means going beyond sustainability to deliver the restorative action that is needed to regenerate the climate system and nature's ability to provide for us and our kids' generation. So this stage requires a more profound reinvention and rethink of business as usual, or the creation of major new businesses. On climate, to be a regenerative business, you should make your products from sources that remove carbon from the atmosphere and store it in the soil, the oceans, forests and peatlands, or potentially underground in rocks. Extend the scope for renewable energy use into your supply base through incentives, supplier selection or investment. And reduce your reliance on traditional carbon offsets through longer-term investment in nature-based removal projects or technology that removes atmospheric CO2. Regenerative or circular use of resources is a great source of innovation. Design products and/or create services that eliminate waste from start to finish. Pilot new service-based circular business models, for example, reuse, remanufacture, repair, lease, rent or return. Invest in research to create bio-based alternatives to unsustainable materials derived from fossil fuels. So to have a restorative impact on nature, you've got to combine the use of nature-based resources with regenerative agriculture for producing food, feed, fibre or fuel. Educate yourself on the emerging standards and protocols for managing nature-related financial risks and setting science-based targets for nature. Carefully consider sourcing from certified supply chains that can provide credible assurance of beneficial impacts on biodiversity. So adopting a regenerative business model and making a restorative impact on nature is the new era in corporate sustainability. Eco-innovation is an investable proposition. It's what talent is being taught in colleges, and we need it to mitigate the combined risks of climate change and biodiversity loss. Finally, make this a fair and just transition. As the IPCC report points out, it is the most vulnerable parts of nature and human society that are most exposed to the hazards created by climate change.